Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a wonderful day. I am Helen Peterson. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and like the video so you don't miss our upcoming content. Thank you. Today we will be talking about confidence as a powerful tool for financial success. Confidence can indeed be a powerful tool for success. Here are some ways in which confidence can contribute to achieving success. Number 1. Self-belief. Confidence instills a strong sense of self-belief and belief in one's abilities. When you have confidence in yourself, you are more likely to take risks, set ambitious goals, and persist in the face of challenges. This self-belief becomes the foundation for your success. That will take us to the next item on the list. Positive mindset. Confidence is closely linked to having a positive mindset. When you are confident, you tend to have a more optimistic outlook on life and believe in your ability to overcome obstacles. This positive mindset helps you stay focused, motivated, and resilient even when faced with setbacks or failures. Next on the list is increased motivation. Confidence fuels motivation. When you have confidence in your skills and abilities, you are more likely to feel motivated to work hard, push your limits, and strive for excellence. The belief that you can succeed drives you to take action and put in the necessary effort to achieve your goals. Let's move on to the next item. Resilience. Confidence acts as a buffer against setbacks and failures. It provides you with the resilience to bounce back from challenges and learn from your mistakes. Rather than being deterred by failures, confident individuals view them as learning opportunities and continue to move forward, adapting their approach as needed. Effective communication. Confidence plays a vital role in effective communication, both verbal and nonverbal. Confident individuals express themselves clearly, assertively, and persuasively, making it easier for others to understand their ideas and viewpoints. They exude credibility, which enhances their influence and impact in personal and professional interactions. Next. Building relationships. Confidence helps individuals build positive relationships with others. When people are self-assured, they project a sense of trustworthiness and reliability, making them more approachable and likable. Strong relationships are crucial for success, as they provide support, collaboration opportunities, and access to valuable networks. Next. Overcoming challenges. Confidence enables individuals to face challenges head-on and deal with them effectively. It helps in managing stress, embracing change, and maintaining a positive attitude even in difficult situations. Confident individuals are more likely to view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles, allowing them to find creative solutions and adapt to new circumstances. Next. Performance and achievement. Confidence significantly influences performance and achievement. When individuals believe in their abilities, they tend to set ambitious goals, push their boundaries, and strive for excellence. This mindset increases the likelihood of achieving success in various areas, such as education, career, sports, and personal pursuits. Next. Influence and leadership. Confidence is a key characteristic of influential leaders. People naturally gravitate toward confident individuals who inspire trust, provide guidance, and motivate others to reach their full potential. Confident leaders can effectively articulate their vision, make tough decisions, and inspire teams to achieve collective goals. It's important to note that confidence should be balanced with humility and a realistic assessment of one's strengths and weaknesses. Overconfidence can lead to arrogance and blind spots, which may hinder growth and success. Nevertheless, when harnessed appropriately, confidence serves as a powerful tool for individuals to unlock their potential and achieve remarkable success in various areas of life. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.